In today's short analysis video, we will discuss on PayPal Holdings stock. My dear friends, this stock has broken down an important support level, and along with that there are multiple negative factors which has already triggered on the stock, and that would allow us to capitalize an opportunity to short sell this stock. We can initiate a short selling position before a big downside correction gets started. My dear friends, if you'll make a closer look over here, this was in bottom where the stock had given a massive upside rally in the form of upward sloping parallel channel. And as long as the stock was trading under this upward sloping parallel channel, the stock got triggered with back-to-back higher highs. If you'll see over here, the first higher rise registered here, the second higher rise over here, and the last higher rise here. But as soon as this upward sloping parallel channel got triggered on the downside, first time its higher highs shifted to lower lows, and this was an area where we find the two major negative signal, and this was a point where we got an official confirmation that stock has completed the upside rally and now it's under correction. And whenever you find that upward sloping parallel channel got trigger on the downside, the very first thing you have to do is to protect your short term profits. And the second one is higher highs is getting shifted to higher highs, you have to immediately stop buying the stock. In fact, you can initiate a short sell position to cover the handsome profit while riding downside correction. And my dear friends, the third negative signal, if you place an RSI indicators, the diversion indicators, you will be surprised to know even the diversion is showing the negative diversion. The price action over here, the price action is showing you the higher picks, but the same thing is missing in the RSI. So this is a negative signal that there is a diversion, there is a both way it's showing different direction. Price action is showing I will go upside, RSI is showing that it will go on the downside. So there are two major conflicts. This conflict we call it as a diversion, and this is a negative diversion, and this was an area where we got a breakdown, and it's going to give the downside momentum to the stock. And the last and the most important, that's in chart pattern. The most important signal is the chart pattern, and if you'll see, there is a Darvas box pattern got breakdown. This was a neckline which I will mark in white color, $65. That was a neckline of the Darvas box pattern which got triggered on the downside. This was a Darvas box pattern which has got triggered on the downside over here. So this is a confirmation. This will be our entry point to ride the downside, because now it has broken the box, and there is a high probability that stock will hit the target of downside. That will be around $56. That will be the first target, and the second target will be $55, somewhere around $55. So these are the two major target on the downside, and this area of the neckline will act as a strong resistance. So far this neckline was in support, but now it has turned into a resistance because there are multiple negative factors got trigger over here. This was an area where we have identified the upward sloping parallel channel got trigger on the downside. This was an area where we have witnessed the higher highs shifted to lower lows. This was an area where we have checked the negative diversion between the price action and RSI indicator, and this was an area that Darvas box pattern got trigger on the downside. So with due respect to all these negative breakdowns, this area with all this negative breakdown, this area of neckline so far was support has now turned into an important resistance. And whenever you get the stock coming near to this neckline, it will act as a resistance, and it will push the stock on the downside, and that we can utilize as an opportunity to short. Here each rally can be utilized as a short sell, so it will be sell on rise strategy. And my dear friend, this is it for today's analysis. If you really like my analysis, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.